Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Continue watching. Now we need to cover our threads here and make our top part more stable and hard. For this we will need our pattern and cardboard. Take a pen and circle our pattern. Cut it out 2 or 3 millimeters smaller than our pattern. Measure. It is still too big. We need to make it smaller. You can take a pen and mark where you need to cut more. Now it's good. Take a glue. Cover all threads under the cardboard. All threads and all knots. If you have felt left here, you need to cut it a bit. That's why we didn't do any knots on the sides of embroidery.